You're watching this because someone in the Tax Pro 360 community sent it to you. They saw your potential and wanted you to have access to the same system they discovered. But we need to address the obvious question immediately. How can a complete operational tax business cost $27? Skepticism is the right response here. There has to be a catch, like hidden revenue splits or broken software. That skepticism protects you from the common ghost preparer trap. This is when someone prepares returns using consumer tools like TurboTax under the client's account without a PTIN or professional systems. Operating that way is a massive liability. It exposes you and your clients to severe legal risks, including direct IRS penalties that can end a career before it starts. Trying to run a business under the radar is not a shortcut. It is a structural flaw that guarantees the business will eventually fail. When independent tax businesses fail, it usually isn't because the preparer lacks talent or clients. They fail because they have no foundational systems. Every tax season becomes a disorganized mess of guessing and scrambling. Dr. Geno Bradley built Tax Pro 360 to solve that. He's been a tax professional since 2003 and a U.S. Marine veteran. He took 20 years of experience and turned it into a blueprint to cure the isolation that kills most startups. Tax Pro 360 is a complete 360-degree professional ecosystem that combines software with a support structure to handle everything from filing to business growth. Shifting from a solitary preparer to a supported system is the single decision that transforms a struggling side hustle into a permanent business. So what is actually in the box? What tools run the office day to day? This dashboard is the center of the business. You get professional cloud-based tools, a mobile management app, and a secure client portal. These handle the heavy lifting, allowing for unlimited e-filing and legally binding e-signatures, all within one unified system. It is a total departure from the amateur approach of trying to file client returns through a consumer website designed for individuals. Using this level of professional capability gives a brand new preparer the same operational credibility as a massive corporate tax firm. But having professional software alone doesn't teach you how to build a client base or how to solve complex tax problems. That's where the Tax Pro School community comes in. You get direct access to over 200 professionals across 16 states who are solving those exact problems every day. This human element is constant. You get a one-on-one setup process and weekly Super Saturday live training calls where you can bring actual questions from the field and get answers in real time. But let's look at the money. When a client pays a $500 or $1,000 fee, what happens to that cash? You keep exactly 100% of your revenue. There are no franchise fees, no percentage splits, and no deductions. If you charge $1,000, you keep $1,000. This model ensures you are building your personal wealth, not just acting as a low-paid representative for someone else's brand. The math is simple. Because there are no splits, a single client's payment covers your entire first-year investment multiple times over. A common mistake is thinking you have to wait until January to get started. By then, it's already too late to build correctly. The off-season is when you build confidence, set up your GBC books, and master the software before the rush begins. Waiting until tax season to learn your systems is how businesses fail. Preparing now is how market share is captured. The final step is choosing the membership tier that fits where you are today. The associate path is built for beginners, side hustlers, and current PTN holders who are ready to turn their work into a professional business. The partner path is for experienced EFIN holders and office owners ready to scale a multi-preparer operation. Someone believed in your potential enough to send you this video. Now it's your turn. Make your choice and join the community today for $27.